Good morning, friend. Today, now we have to start one new lesson, that is chapter number 7. Name of chapter number 7 is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, before we start coordinate geometry, we have to understand the 9th standard graph. Because in 9th standard graph, we make in 9th standard, we are using the graph related with in 9th standard we have understand the graph માં અંદર શું હોય તો કે 4 graph ની અંદર now here these are all the positive that we know, here it is negative. અહીંયા x અને y કેવા હોય આપણે અહીંયા x અને y plus comma plus, here તો કે અહીંયા minus comma plus, અહીંયા both minus, and here plus and minus. So these are all the quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So આપણે એના 4 quadrant હતા, x axis and y axis. Horizontally here it is x axis and x axis કહેવાય, અને here અહીંયા y axis. So y axis ઉપર અને x axis. So x axis horizontal હોય, x axis હોય, vertically હોય y axis. First quadrant માં both positive, second quadrant માં minus plus, so minus 3,5. So it should be in second quadrant. Plus 3 plus 5. So it should be in first quadrant. Minus 2 minus 4. It should be in third quadrant. And plus 3 minus 5 in fourth quadrant. So coordinate geometry means related with the quadrant. Now if quadrants are there, હવે અહીંયા આપણે quadrant હોય, માન લો કે આપણે આમ quadrant છે, here line is there. હવે if I want to find out the distance between A and B, how I will find out? અગર આનો distance ગોતવું હોય, અહીંયા છે 2,5 or 5,2 ને અહીંયા છે 2,2. તો 2 અને 5 નો distance છે, એ કેમ find out કરો? How to find out the distance? So in coordinate geometry આપણે ત્રણ વસ્તુ શીખવાની છે, that is distance formula, પછી અગર હું એમ ટ્રાયંગલ આમ જનરેટ કરી દઉં કોઓર્ડિનેટમાં, અહીંયા લખી દઉં 2, 3, અહીંયા લખી દઉં 4,5, અહીંયા લખી દઈએ 6,4. and if I want to find out the area of triangle, તો એ પણ ફોર્મ્યુલાથી find out થઈ શકે. So area of triangle, and third section formula. અગર હું અહીંયા કોઈ એક લાઈન મેં કરી દીધી, if I make a line at here, આવી રીતે મેં કરી દીધી A, B, અને point P અગર હું અહીં કરી દઉં, તો આના પાર્ટ થઈ ગયા A, B ના, A, B divided into point P by, તો એને it is called section formula. So three things we have to now understand in this lecture, that is distance formula, area of triangle, and section formula. Distance formula, area of triangle, and section formula. So first of all we have to discuss about the distance formula. Now before we start distance formula, what is important? આપણા માટે important શું છે? તો કે first off we have to know the quadrants. So now I am reading related 9th standard. The distance of point P from the y-axis is called x-coordinate or epsica. Distance of a point from y-axis, x-axis, y-axis ઉપર distance from point from y-axis is called x-coordinate. હવે માન લો કે અહીંયા મેં લખ્યું છે 2. if અહીંયા હું લખી દઉં આ 2 તો ખરેખર x-axis થી આમાં કેટલો ડિસ્ટન્સ અહીંયા આવ્યો, માન લો કે 2 3 આવ્યું છે, તો આ ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એ ખરેખર ક્યાંથી થયું કહેવાય, y થી ડિસ્ટન્સ કહેવાય. Now distance of a point from x-axis, x-axis ઉપરથી called, it is called y-coordinate. Distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or coordinate. And axis ઉપર value already 9th માં આપણે ભણ્યા. Coordinate of a point on x-axis are of the form x, 0 and point on the y-axis are called 0, y. So x-axis ઉપર again x-axis ઉપર y, x-axis ની વાત કરું છું, x-axis ઉપર y ની વેલ્યુ 0 હોય એટલે x, 0 થઈ જાય અને y-axis ઉપર 0, y થઈ જાય. તો we have to use આને પણ ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલામાં યુઝ કરશું. હવે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ગો ઓન ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા. સો ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલાને પહેલા ખાલી લખી દે પછી એને ડિરાઇવેશન સમજીએ. ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા. Now if one line segment that is called AB, અહીંયા એના કોઓર્ડિનેટ છે x2 y2 અને here કોઓર્ડિનેટ છે x1 y1, એના કોઓર્ડિનેટ છે x1 y1, b ના કોઓર્ડિનેટ છે x2 y2. હવે મારે ડિસ્ટન્સ આનો ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવો હોય તો કે ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા AB is equal to ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા is equal to under root x1 minus x2, easy x1 minus x2 whole to square plus y1 minus y2 minus y2 whole to square. સૌથી easy ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. only 3 ફોર્મ્યુલા, 4 માર્ક્સ વેટેજ છે આનું, 4 માર્ક્સ વેટેજ, 3 marks 1 question, 1 question 3 marks નો અને 1 marks નો 1 question. So again AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole to square plus y1 minus y2 whole to square. It is distance formula. Distance formula is equal to, or ઘણી વાર એમ પણ કહે કે distance લખે આમ, distance AB is equal to same under root x1 minus x2 whole to square plus y1 minus y2 whole to square. Now we want to discuss related with the distance formula. So if we go to distance formula, how it is derived, that is important. So here its derivation. So generally derive આવતું નથી પણ derive distance formula. Then we have to start right from here. Let us now find the distance between any point, that is P. કોઓર્ડિનેટ જ્યોમેટ્રીની અંદર પોઈન્ટ એક P લઈ લીધો, that is x1 y1, અને Q પોઈન્ટ લીધો, that is x2 y2. P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. Now again આપણે વાત થઈ કે આ જે વેલ્યુ હશે એ સેમ અહીંયા હશે. So I am right at here x1, 0. અહીંયા મારે લખવું હોય તો કે x2, 0. R ઉપર વેલ્યુ કેવી આવશે, y ની વેલ્યુ તો 0 હોય. So x1, 0 અને x2, 0. So કોઈ પૂછે આટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું આવશે, O થી R તો કે x1. O થી S સુધીનું ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું આવે તો કે x2. આટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ. See here OR x1, OS x2. તો RS નું ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું આવશે, RS તો કે OS minus OR. RS is equal to OS minus OR. So OS કેટલું હતું? X2 minus X1, that is RS. RS જેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે ને સેમ ડિસ્ટન્સ at here PT. So RS X2 minus X1 is equal to PT. So અહીંયા PT આવી. Now SQ. See now XQ. આ બધું રબ કરી દે. એક પેલો X1 X2 એક્સપ્લેન કરી નાખ્યું perfectly, બરાબર? So OR X1 we can get OR X1, OS X2 it is also explained, RS that is if I will write X1 at here and આમ કરી X2 લખી દઉં, then RS is equal to X2 minus X1, that is equal to R2 PT. So RS and PT is equal. Now we will go for Y axis. Now SQ. So if you will see S to Q up to here, S to Q, SQ. So up to if you will see it is equivalent to here. So it is Y2. So I am writing it Y2. Horizontal distance. It is vertically. Sorry, it is vertically. Vertically હોય ને આપણે વાત થઈ કે x axis ઉપર vertical distance હોય y હોય. So Y2 here. ST આટલું જ. So that is Y1. ST again ST is Y1. આ ડિસ્ટન્સ છે આટલું PR આટલું, તો અહીંયાથી હોય એટલે એ Y1. So here it is Y1 આટલા માટે, પણ આખું કરીએ તો it is Y2. So SQ Y2, ST is equal to PR is equal to Y1. So Q2 is equal to Y2 minus Y1. આ શા માટે ગોતવું જરૂરી છે? Because now if you will see it is a right angle triangle. આ right angle triangle કહેવાય. So right angle triangle માં Pythagoras apply થાય. So applying Pythagoras theorem, PTQ we get PQ square. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PT, so here PT. X2 minus X1, so X2 minus X1 whole to square plus QT, that is Y2 minus Y2 whole to square. So PQ square is equal to X2 minus X1 whole to square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole to square. So PQ is equal to under root. But if I am writing it here X2 minus X1, or we can write X1 minus X2 whole to square plus Y1 minus Y2 whole to square. So we can get distance. Distance is always non-negative, remember. We can take only positive square root. The distance between is, that is why it is called distance formula. But always remember we can write X1 minus X2 whole to square plus Y1 minus Y2 whole to square. So this is the distance formula that we have derived, and now we go for the examples. Now one important formula, one more formula. If I want to find out distance from origin, here it is P and here it is K. PQ. Now here it is 0, 0. From origin always coordinates are 0, 0. So that is why coordinates Px, Y, origin O 0, 0. Then one of the value will be 0. So formula will be OP square is equal to under root x1 square plus y square, x square plus y square. Always distance from origin. Question is like that, P, 4, 3. Example, in the particular distance of a point P, 4, 3 from the origin, then answer is under root 4 square plus 3 square. That is 16 plus 9, 25 is equal to 5. Now we have to use the distance formula as an example. Question number, example. Do the point form a triangle? If so, name the triangle. So we have to find out the distance formula. So here it is P, Q and R. So P, Q and R. So first of all I have to find out PQ distance. So here it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now according to the distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole to square. So 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 2 whole to square plus y1, y2. 2 minus plus 2 plus 3 whole to square. So 5 square plus 5 square, that is under root 50. So now QR, if I want to find out QR, then I have to take again with Q and R. So here it is Q, here it is R. Again here x1, y1. Again here x2, y2. So now PQ distance, QR distance, then x1 minus x2. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 whole to square plus again y1, that is minus 3, minus y2, minus 3. So minus 3 whole to square, that is minus 6. So we can get 52. Now if I want to find out the distance of P and R, so P and R, again x1, y1, x2, y2. So 3 minus 2 whole to square, 2 minus 3 whole to square. So root 2. So 7.02, 7.21, 1.41. So here sum of two side is greater than third side. Therefore PQ is a triangle. Sum of two side is greater than third side. We can say it is a triangle. So we can now name triangle as a PQR. So such type of sum may be asked related with the distance formula. Now one more sum related with the distance formula. Show that, example number 2. Show that our vertex of square. So if I want to find out the distance, that is A, here A 17, B 42, C minus 1, D minus 4, 4. What I have to prove? By using distance formula, I have to prove it is a square. So we know that in square all four sides are equal. Square ma four sides kevi hoy equal hoy. So A, B, C and D. Now AB distance who find out karis? AB. So here it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now if I apply distance formula, AB is equal to x1 minus x2 whole to square. So 1 minus 4 whole to square plus 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. So minus 3 square plus 5 square. So that is under root 34. So under root 34, under root 34. So AB, we have find out AB, BC, AB, BC, CD and AD all are equal. So 34, root 34, root 34, root 34. Now we have to find out also diagonal. Diagonal are also congruent in square. Diagonal છે congruent હોય square માં. So we have to find out AC. So A and C. So AC na reference માં કરીએ તો A and C. So 1 minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 whole to square plus 7 and minus 1. So minus minus plus 7 plus 1 whole to square. So 4 plus 2 square is 4. 8 plus 64. 4 plus 64, that is under root 68. So we can get now answer. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, root 34, root 30, and diagonals are also congruent. So we can say it is a square. So we can use this method. Distance formula is also used to find out it is a square, parallelogram, everything. Now we go for the exercise that we have to do now. Afterward we have to see the sum. So here question number 1, exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the point. Find the distance between the point. So that we have to find out. Now which formula we have to apply? Distance formula. x1, y1. So I have to write A, that is 2, 3. B, 4, 1. Now here it is x1 y1 b x2 y2. So now AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2, so 2 minus 4 whole to square plus 3 minus 1 whole to square. So 2 minus 4 minus 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4, that is under root 8. Under root 8 means plus minus 2 root 2. Distance always positive. So plus 2 root 2, or we can say under root 8. So such type of questions in this way. So you have to start in your fair book 7.1 and you have to complete it now. So question number 2 now. Again distance formula. So AB is equal to, always write formula to get half marks. x1 minus x2 whole to square plus y1 minus y2 whole to square. Now I have to x1, that is minus 5, x2, that is minus 1, minus minus plus 1 whole to square, y1, that is 7, y2, that is 3 whole to square. So minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 square. 7 minus 3, again 4 square. So 4 minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 square, that is 16. Plus 4 square, that is 16. So under root 32, that is 16 twos are. So 4 root under root 2. 4 under root 2. So that way there are 10 sums. So we have to complete alternate. So of 2 sums I have completed. Now question number 2. Find the distance between, just now we have discussed, from 0, 0 means origin. So here if I write A 0, 0 and if write B 36, 15, then AB is equal to only under root x1 square x square plus y square. Why? Because origin, from distance from the origin, formula is x square plus y square. So 36 square plus 15 square. So 36 square, that is 36 into 36. So 6 6 are 36, 9, 18 2s are 36. Here 9, 18 2s are 36. So 6, 9, 1, 2, 9, 6 and 15 square to 25. That I have to add. So 1, 2, 9, 6 and 2, 25. So 1, again 1, 10, 12, again 1, 5, again 1. So 1 under root 1, 5 to 1. So 1, 5 to 1, that we have to write. So 1, 5 to 1 again, 36 square plus 15 square, that is 1, 5 to 1. Now I have to do it by either prime factorization method 7, 8 and 9, so divided by 3, because it's a key 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, or we can know that 40 square is, so we can do it 40 square is 1600 and 30 square is 900. So digit is between 30 and 40. Between them we know 35 square. 35 square is 1225. So our digit is between 35 and 40. So that is 36, 37, 38 and 39. So unit place of 9 square is 1. 9 square is 81. So 1. So here it is a square of 39. So we can say AB is equal to 39. Or you can do it by prime factorization method. We can do it by 3. 3 5s are 15, 0, 3, 7s are. again 3, 3 6 are, sorry, 3 1s are 3, 2, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are, again it is a square of 13. So both way we can complete this. So 3 square and 13 square under root. We can get 3 into 13. Answer is 39. Both way we have get correct answer. So exercise 7.1 question number 1, 2. Now we are going for 3. Question is determine if points are collinear or not. So what I have to do first? I have to find out AB. That is the point I have to give the name A, B and C. तो मारे पहला A B कर देना, A B ना distance find out करना, तो under root 1 minus 2, so 1 minus 2 square and 5 minus 3 square, 5 minus 3 square, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 square, that is 1. 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 square is 4. So under root 5. Now I have to find out BC. So B into C. So here B and C. 2 again minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 whole to square. And 3 minus minus plus. So 3 plus 11 whole to square. So 4 square plus 14 square, that is 16 plus 196. 4 square 196, 6 196 and 16 I have to add. So 212 under root 212. Now I have to find out AC. So 1 minus minus plus. So 1 plus 2 whole to square. And 5 minus minus 11, so plus, so 5 plus 11 whole to square. So 1 plus 2, 3 square is 9, 16 square is 256, that is 265. So root 5, 2 root 2 and 265. If I have to add this, then we will get third. That is either AB plus BC is equal to AC, but it is not possible. So we can say they are not collinear. How we can say it is a collinear? If AB plus BC is equal to AC, then we can say it is a collinear. So we can use distance formula in different way. Now we go for question number 4. Question number 4 is said we have to prove that it is a collinear or isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. If I will draw one triangle, then two sides must be equal and third side is different. It is called isosceles. So if I find out the coordinate of A, AB, distance AB, BC and AC, then AB is equal to AC may be possible in this, because question is check whether. So we have to check. So again I have to write here A, that is 5 comma minus 2, and B, that is 6 comma 4, and C, that is 7 comma minus 2. Now I have to find out AB. So AB distance 5 minus 6 and minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4. So 5 minus 6, that is minus 1 square is 1, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 square is 36. So answer is 37. So root 37. So root 37 is a answer. Root 37 we can get answer. So I have to write root 37. Now I have to find out BC. So B into C. 6 minus 7. Again 1. And 4 plus 2 whole to square. Same thing. 6 minus 7, that is minus 1. 4 plus 2, 6. So again root 37. So isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. We can now find out AC. Now in AC, A into C. So again 5 minus 7 and minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 square 4, that is 2. So AB is equal to BC, not equal to AC. We can say it is an isosceles triangle. So 2 lectures at least we have to go in this exercise. 7.1, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sums already we have discussed. Sixth sum, which type of quadrilateral? So you can do it by yourself. What you have to find out, name it A, B, C and D. Find out AB, BC, AC and AD. And diagonal AB, BC, CD. So 4 sides at least you have to find out and 2 diagonal. 6 things you have to find out in each sum, and then you can say it is a parallelogram, rhombus, quadrilateral, because we have to give the type of quadrilateral. So maybe rhombus, maybe parallelogram, that type of square, rectangle. So you have to do it. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, that we have to see in next lecture. So we have started new lesson, that is 7th lesson, only 3 exercise. Distance formula is related with the 7.1. 10 sums are there. 5 sums we have completed today. In next lecture, we have to complete 5 sums.